Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of a HP Officejet Pro 8610. Now this is nice and simple, going from the printer itself, so nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now to get started, all we need is to press down here, this little ink drop on the bottom right hand side of the home screen, which then brings up a visual representation of how much magenta, cyan, yellow and black ink the printer thinks it has in there. If you're looking at this page due to a print quality issue you're having, it's actually unlikely to be cartridges themselves that are at fault, as the cartridges from this printer are quite simple kind of pots of ink, and any print quality issues are likely to be a blockage in the printer's print head itself. So I'd recommend taking a look at our video for cleaning the printer's print head to try and resolve those. Also from this screen you have the option to do a print report, so if you press on that and give the machine just a few seconds, and you'll end up with a page that looks something like this. Here you should have a representation of magenta, cyan and yellow, but this printer has some quite serious issues, so you should be looking at something closer to what's on screen. Giving you lots of information on the history and status of the printer, but you could also use it to check your printer's ability to print those four colours as mentioned. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.